Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt, your go-to guy for auto accessory news. Today we're going to show you how to install a grill guard on this 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. Let's get to work.
We recommend at least 2 people for this install. Install time is listed as 90 minutes, but can take up to 3 hours depending on your skill level. You will need a socket wrench with 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 18mm sizes.
The first step in installing the grill guard is lay out your hardware, make sure everything's present, and we're good to go. So let's get to installing. So we're going to start off with removing the factory tow hooks. We're going to start with the driver's side and then do the passenger side. So the tow hooks mount to the frame, and we're going to remove this bolt, and there's 2 on the other side of the frame. Now that we got the bolts removed from the tow hook and the frame, we're gonna go ahead and remove the tow hook. Do the same to the passenger side. Now that we removed the tow hooks, we're gonna go ahead and install the driver left side mounting bracket assembly to the end of the frame with the bolt plate. A little tip, the mounting bracket assembly goes to the outside of the frame and the bolt plate goes on the inside of the frame through the lower hole in the bottom of the frame. So we'll go ahead and stick the bolt plate in. All right, that's in there. And I'm gonna run the mounting bracket assembly plate from the inside, from the back side, and pull it out. Okay, so in order for this mounting bracket assembly to fit in here correctly, we have to remove this little plastic piece, and it's done with a couple screws on the back side of the bumper. So I'm gonna unscrew this and we're gonna take this little piece out so it'll fit properly. We got the mounting bracket assembly installed. We're gonna mount this Z bracket on the other side of the frame, still on the driver's side. It's gonna bolt to the mounting bracket assembly. Through trial and error, we figured out that on the driver's side, using this Z bracket on the frame, it comes with a double bolt plate, but because we have tow hooks with this truck, we're able to retain the tow hooks. So on this Z plate, when we mount it to the frame, we're gonna use the actual hardware that came with the tow hooks, and we're gonna mount the tow hooks back to the Z bracket. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so in order to remount these tow hooks, the factory tow hooks, I gotta remove the single bolt plate from the bracket assembly on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna use the old hardware, the original hardware, to mount the tow hook in there. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, beautiful. Now Z bracket. Now, beautiful, good. Okay guys, we've got all the driver side mounting bracket assembly hardware and the Z bracket and the tow hook installed back into the frame. We're all ready to go. We did utilize the factory tow hook mounting hardware to mount some of the pieces of the mounting bracket assembly and the Z bracket. So we got that done. Let's go ahead and move to the passenger side, do the same thing. Okay, now that we got the lower brackets installed, utilizing the factory tow hooks on the driver and passenger side, we're gonna work on the top brackets. And to get to the top bracket mounting point, we've got to remove the plastic cover from the grill up top here. Okay, so the plastic cover over the grill is held in place with these plastic clips. We're going to go ahead and remove those. There we go. Okay, so we removed the plastic piece from the top of the grill, and now we're gonna have to remove the grill temporarily so we can get the top mounting bracket in place right here. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, in order to remove this grill from up top, we're gonna have to get under the wheel wells, back behind here, pull the fender flares back and undo a couple of screws that are holding this in place. And we're gonna pull off this whole bottom piece, and that'll give us access to unscrew the mounts for the bottom of the grill and pull it out. And then we'll be able to get the top brackets up inside of here. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna get under here in the wheel well and remove these hex screws. Okay. pull this back, and there's 2 bolts up under here that hold this piece on. So we're gonna unscrew those. Okay, we got the grill removed. It was a task, but we did it. So now we're gonna mount the top bracket for the grill guard, and you're gonna find the factory bolt right above the bumper underneath this flap right here. That's what we're gonna use. So right here, where we're gonna put the support bracket, it will be touching the bumper. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply this padding to the bottom of it so it doesn't damage the bumper when we install it. All right, so this factory screw that's in here above the bumper, when we took the grill off, it's an 18 millimeter. And of course, the 18 millimeter is the one open end wrench that I don't have in my tool set. So using the trusty vice grips. Okay, we got the grill back in, everything pieced back together. Now it's time to mount up the grill guard. That, my friends, is how you install a grill guard on a 2021 GMC 1500. It says it only takes about 90 minutes to do an install, but that is definitely for the professional installer. This took me about 3 hours. There was things in the instructions that weren't mentioned. We had to take the grill off, and of course we had to take up this whole bottom piece off to get to the part where we put the bracket in. So definitely do your homework before you do this, and hope you enjoyed this video and learned something today.